Hey everyone, want to connect TEMU with Cash App for quick and easy payments? Let me show you how in just a minute. First of all, open the TEMU app and go to the checkouts screen. Select the item you want to buy, then proceed to payment options. Now choose add a payment method. From here, select link a debit card. This is where Cash App comes in handy. In your Cash App, make sure your cash card is activated. You can find it by tapping the card icon on your home screen. Copy your cash card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV and head back to Temu. Enter your cash card details on Temu. Save it and that's it. You are now ready to shop on Temu using Cash App funds. Easy, right? Give it a try and enjoy seamless shopping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips.